Okay, how's it going, guys? GTFO Gaming or Monaco Games here with a little bit of a different video. Number one, face cam, and number two, we're gonna be shooting Easter eggs with this airsoft Colt 1911 replica with a laser sight. So here's the thing: I can't use a real gun because I live in Canada, but yeah. So we're gonna be shooting these Easter eggs. They're hollow. They have little characters on them. Got them for Easter. Why not? I haven't eaten them. Well, the best thing to do is shoot them. Okay, let's go. Looks like we did chip one. Oh yeah, we definitely got through this one.
Yep. Nice.
This one's a definite nice one. Right in the middle. Boom. Right through. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try and use the laser sight this time. It seems like I'm out of ammo. By the way, guys, I forgot to tell you, we're using these ultrasonic BBs in the gun today. And yeah, sorry about this, guys. Also, it's a little bit windy, so I hope it's not completely, all you can hear is wind. And yeah. Alright.
Back to business.
Yeah. By the way, if you guys are wondering, the guy talking in the background is my dad. He is recording for me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Collect my fee later.
Alright, so let's go again. Let's use the laser sight this time. Doesn't look like that hit.
Nice.
Alright, so it looks like we hit two of them. Here are the holes right here. Very nice. Let's put them back. Start shooting again. That looks like it might have shot both of them. Probably skinned both of them. Definitely looked like it's skinned. It didn't actually hit them. But it was enough to knock them off. Let's go a little bit farther away. This laser sight really, it's not really working. It works, but it just, it's not gonna help your aim at all. You guys are just using the plastic sights. So this just utterly shattered this egg. This egg is completely destroyed.
Yeah, it's toast.
Like, I think we can see here, you have the chocolate right over. It's gone.
It's meat.
Let's see if we can help these two eggs have the same fate. Boom, that was very nice. Big hole right here. Very nice. Let's see if we can rip this one apart. All I see is like chocolate dumping out on these. These ultrasonic BBs do a nice job against these eggs, I would say. It looks like we have maybe one more shot left in here. I think that's it. So I'll give you guys another look at what the BBs have done. So here are the two eggs, other than the other one that just completely gone. So yeah, there's a few holes all over the place. Some have skinned. But yeah. Let's see if we can just get this one completely destroyed. Let's go. Oh, it looks like we're out. So let's move on to the other side. So while I'm here, I'll show you guys how you reload this thing. So there's a little spring here. You pull this all the way down, then snap it to the side, and then you fill these BBs. I'll give you guys a look at what I'm shooting the eggs with. These green BBs, they are plastic. They don't. I know they look like kind of like a really soft, but they aren't that soft. These can't penetrate a can, so yeah. Okay, oops, I forgot. These guys back on. So the goal is to just break this one apart. Let's try and hardest here. It's a little bit windy again. Let's go.
Destroyed it.
That's,
Cut it right in half.
I cut it in half. I shot right through it. I'm pretty sure I shot right through it. This thing's gone. So I'll put this one to the side. This will be the last egg. We'll try and break it in half. Let's go. Oh, and this
Kind
guy's
of
gone.
meat. Yeah, it's finished.
Just destroyed. Almost came out the other side. Didn't quite. I hope you guys enjoyed. Monocle Games here, and make sure to keep an eye out for me and my friend Alex. We're gonna do a Black Ops 2 live stream. See ya.